Surge Protective Devices, SPD. Kumwell strives to research and develop surge protective devices that comply with international standards for complete lightning protection, both inside and outside. Kumwell is ready to deliver surge protective devices that are comply IEC 61643, Part 11, certified by VDE from Germany. Kumwell has focused and emphasized the important criteria of the manufacturing process of one standard, including the design, testing, inspection, and delivery for the safety from surge current to obtain customers' confidence. In addition, Kumwell has professional engineers with complete knowledge to advise and solve any problems, including on-site inspection service for surge protective devices. This is to guarantee that Kumwell will deliver best quality surge protective devices and to ensure that Kumwell not only supplies products but also delivers safety to society.